Good morning students, I'm back again with another session. This time we are going to do chapter 13, perimeter and area. Now perimeter, first we are going to talk about the perimeter of a square, rectangle and triangle. Now perimeter is basically the sum of all sides. For any given shape, it is the sum of all sides. Let's have a look at it. So first we have a square. Each side is 10 meter. Now in square all the sides are equal. So here all the sides are 10 meter. So what will be the perimeter? That means if I start from here and I am covering this entire distance 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 40 meters. Okay. Now, alright, this is 40 meters. Now another way of doing this can be if we multiply the length of each side by 4. So that means 4 into side. So perimeter of square can be 4 into side. What is 4? Why we are multiplying by 4? Because there are 4 sides and the length of each side is 10. So the answer will be 40 meter. So perimeter of square will be 4 into side, that is 40 meters. So both way it is the same, whether you add all the sides or you use this formula. Now coming to rectangle. Okay, in the rectangle you have this is the length and this is the breadth. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So that means if this is 12, so this will also be 12. And if this is 3, then this will also be 3. Right? Now let's add all the sides and see what is the perimeter. So 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 3. So you will have here 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 12 will be 27 and 3. That will be 30 meters. Okay, you can also write here meter. Alright. So you have 30 meters. But another way, now to make it easy, because we are adding the same number 2 times. So instead of adding the same number 2 times, I can write 2 times length. I am adding and 2 times breadth. Right? 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Yes? So it can be put as 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, which is the formula for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle. Now let's check by this method whether we are getting the same answer or not. Now what is the length? 12 meter. What is the breadth? 3 meter. So 12 plus 3 will be 15. 2 into 15 will be again 30 meters. So here also the perimeter is 30 meters. Now we come to this triangle. Okay. So this is one formula for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle. Because always the units are not going to be so small. So to make the calculation easier, we have devised this formula. This is for calculating the perimeter of a square and this is for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle. Now when we talk about the triangle, now this triangle has all two sides are similar and the one is different. So we can just add them up. 5 plus 5 will be 10 and 10 plus 4 will be 14. So the perimeter will be 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 4 meter. That is 14 meter. Okay. So similarly in irregular shapes also you can just add the sides and find the perimeter. When I talk about perimeter, I am basically talking about the boundary of a place, okay, a boundary of an object, okay. So if I talk about perimeter, that means either I am putting the fence around it or I am walking around the boundary of the park or I am constructing walls around the park, okay, or around a building. So perimeter is basically this boundary, okay. Now let's talk about area. Now we're going to talk about the perimeter and area as well as the area in this particular shape. So the first shape is this one. Now when I talk about the perimeter here, each square is representing 1 centimeter. The side of one square is 1 centimeter. I repeat, the side of one square is 1 centimeter. That means if I am going along the boundary. Perimeter is again I'm going along the boundary. So I'm covering 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters here. Okay. Here also each side of a square is 1 centimeter. That means this part is 1 centimeter. So again when I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. How many did I cover? 5 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Again when I'm going here, I'm covering 1 centimeter. Now when I'm going up, how many did I cover? 1, 2, 3 centimeters. Okay. Now again when I'm going this side, I'm covering 2 centimeters. Again while going up, I'm covering 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter. So how much distance did I cover? When I started from here, 4 plus 5 plus 1, 4 plus 5 will be 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. To reach back at the same point from where I started, I covered in all 18 centimeters. So this is the perimeter. 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3. I write it down. 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2, okay, plus 1 centimeter, plus 1 centimeter, this one, plus 1 centimeter, this one. So in all it is 18 centimeters. In all it is 18 centimeters, pardon me. Now when I talk about the area, so the area will be basically the portion inside these square blocks. Now this is 1, this is 1. So this entire unit will be 1 square centimeter. It will be 1 square centimeters. Now let's count how many square centimeters do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the area will be 10 square centimeters. The area will be 10 square centimeters. Okay. So the perimeter is basically the entire boundary, and the area is basically the inside part of this entire field. Okay. The inside part, that is 10 square centimeter. Now let's talk about the area of this particular shape. In this particular shape, you have two half triangles here. Okay, so for any square, if I divide it into two parts, here two half triangles. So the two half triangles will make 1 square centimeter. Do you realize this? Yes. So these two, you have here 1, 2, 3 square centimeters, and these two will make up 1 square centimeter. So the area will be 4 square centimeter, because if I cut 1 square centimeter into two halves, I'll get two triangles. So that means these two triangles are making up 1 square centimeter. So you have 1, 2, 3 and one more. Together these two will make one more. So you have area of this figure will be 4 square centimeter, considering the each side is 1 centimeter. Length of each side is 1 centimeter. So that's all for today's session. Thank you so much. Take care and stay safe.